Hello friends, just turn on this one setting on WhatsApp and scammer will not be able to message you. Okay, let's see friends, I show you how to enable this setting. So friends, this setting is useful for everyone. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.